Okay, so you can see I've used a bit of Hedion in a separate mixture and it has made into crystal clear. So I'm using a bit of more mixture, see what kind of strength it has. See, it's mixing. And it's because the Hedion is very good solvent. So I've used very little Hedion. Yeah, I can say it's a cheating, but what can you do? I can't ruin all of it, you know. It's without Hedion, you can't make it because you need a mixture, a solvent that will make it into transparent. Quite lucky I didn't put too much jasmine in it, so okay, so let the mixture mix, and it maybe needs more Hedion than I anticipated. We have crossed the limit of 1000 ml, so this can have a lot of problem in my views because the concentration has imbalance, and this is how you can go in difficulties if you change the recipes or the formula, but you won't learn unless you do a mistake. Although this is a mistake, but it's a good mistake because it smells. I haven't checked it yet, you know, so I'll see the performance of it, see how it's smelling. At this time I can't really smell, you know, because there's a lot of other things are not mixed well together, so you can't really tell, you know, what kind of smell is actually going to be and how long it's going to last and all these kind of things. So I'm going to try and wait. See you soon.